Hello, this is the third video for the Earth. So we're going to write a paragraph, or you're going to write a paragraph. I'm going to explain it and you're going to write it. So let's go with our I cans. I can learn about the Earth. I can write a paragraph about the Earth, and here's a rubric for you. Your paragraph is going to be due on May 1st, and I'll get it back to you by May 8th. So how are you going to get graded? Well, you have to write sentences for your paragraph. If you studied the video enough, you should be able to tell me 5 things about the Earth. Bodies of water or landforms or both. If you write 1 sentence, it's 1 point. 2 sentences, 2 points. 3 sentences, 3 points. 4 sentences, 4 points. 5 sentences, 5 points. You get some points for trying. But if you want the highest points, you have a capital letter at the beginning of each sentence. Punctuation. Did you end all of your sentences with punctuation? And illustration. Does your illustration really match what you wrote? Or does your illustration not match what you wrote? Or somewhere in between? So, the person with the highest points, I'm going to mail you my cards from the matching video. So if you write me a paragraph and send it, I will give you feedback, tell you how you did, what you got correctly, what you need to work on, and if you get the people with the highest points, because lots of people might get a lot of points, are going to get the cards that I made to go with the matching video. So how are you going to go about writing this paragraph? Well, let's talk about that. Well, we learned about Earth. Earth had landforms. You can write about the landforms. Continents, mountains, deserts, plains, valleys, and wetlands. Bodies of water. Rivers, oceans, lakes. And remember we talked about the Gulf of Mexico? So you can start by writing down what you remember is on the Earth. Just the words, but that's not a paragraph. Now, here are some ways to start your paragraph. Pick one. You can say, we read about the Earth on Google Classroom. Or, I live on planet Earth. Or, there are many different kinds of landforms and bodies of water on Earth. Or, Earth has many things. You have to find a way to start your paragraph. For the middle of the paragraph, you could use a sentence frame. The Earth has rivers, like the Mississippi River. The Earth has oceans, like the Atlantic Ocean. You really need to write at least 4. I learned the Earth has deserts, like the Sonoran Desert. And you'll have to have 3 sentences at least about what Earth has. Then you have to find a way to end your paragraph. I would like to learn more about the Earth. Learning about the Earth is fun. Learning about the Earth is interesting. I liked reading about the Earth. So back to the rubric one last time. Due May 1st. I'll get it back to you by May 8th if you give it to me by May 1st. You need a sentence to start your paragraph. You need to tell me at least 3 things that the Earth has and pick an ending sentence. Capitals, punctuation, and a nice illustration about the 3 things that you wanted to tell me about the Earth. Okay? Now remember, you can pause the video to pick the sentence that you would like to start with. You can pause the video to get the sentence frame to help you with the middle of the paragraph. And you can pause the video again to pick the way that you would want to end your paragraph. Okay? Take a picture of it and send it to my email. I will print it out, try to give you feedback right on it and then email it back to you, or upload it to Google Classroom and I'll try to grade it that way. And remember, the person who gets the highest points, and if a lot of people get the highest points, I'll send them some cards in the mail. It would be good if everybody took advantage of this writing paragraph to really get ready for second grade.